Hello guys, welcome to YoKidz. Today we will learn how to draw iPhone 12. So first of all, we will draw two vertical lines side by side. Then we will draw two horizontal lines, one on the top and another one at the bottom like this. After that, we will join these four corners like this. So after completing the shape of the phone, we will move forward to draw a camera. We will draw a square on the top left side of the phone. Then we will make three tiny circles inside the square box like this. Making some sensors of the phone. Then we will move forward to draw an Apple logo. And at last we will draw the buttons. So this was the full drawing tutorial of iPhone 12. I hope you guys like it and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.